John Klimak was in the courthouse today, joins us live right now outside. And John, we've just heard about a new gag order in the case.
Yeah, what that means, Lucy, is that we're not going to be hearing much from attorneys on both sides. We're not going to be hearing much from the police anymore because of this gag order. This hearing today, by the way, is called a first advisement. And what that means is the suspect comes in and the judge basically reads him his rights and makes sure that he understands the charges that are up against him. Official charges won't actually come until Monday, but it kind of goes to show this is going to be a long process. In fact, the DA saying that they may not even go to trial for another year.
Call People versus James Holmes, 12 CR 1522. Appearances, please.
For the first time, there he was for all the world to see. The suspect fitting the picture of what witnesses had said. Orange-red hair, like the Joker villain. But this moment was no joke at all.
Ordinarily, individuals are entitled to bail. Given the nature of the charges, you are currently being held on a no bond hold.
District Judge William Sylvester saying no bail for James Egan Holmes. In the state of Colorado, initial probable cause allows a judge to make that call, holding him on a first-degree murder charge. The district attorney now has until Monday to file, which will likely include 12 murder charges and dozens of others. But that does not mean it is an open-closed case.
We're still looking at the enormous amount of evidence, and we would never presume that it would be slam dunk.
DA Carol Chambers spoke to reporters just before the hearing. She said her office would seek the death penalty, but wants to hear from victims' families first. As for a possible insanity plea on Holmes' part, do you think insanity would fly on this?
Too early to say. Haven't seen the evidence on that.
After the hearing, family of victims spoke briefly about why they chose to be in the presence of the man accused of attacking their loved ones.
I kind of feel like I make sure that, that justice is taken with this man.
It's hard physically, mentally.
And upon seeing James Holmes for the first time in person, there is no doubt what many of these family members of the victims are feeling about how this should all turn out.
What's the appropriate punishment for this guy?
Death.
Official charge is expected to come again on Monday. In the meantime, the suspect, James Holmes, remains in solitary confinement. Reporting live in Centennial, Colorado, just about 13 miles from Aurora, I'm John Klimak, NBC4 News.
All right, John, thank you.